Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to sum column or row in Excel. So I'm going to show you that I have a sample graph right here. I mean, not really graph, but a table. And we're going to go ahead and try to figure things out. For example, we have total sales here. And if say, for example, I want to get the sum of, let's say, all the sales coming from branch 1, I can head over here to the total, basically add here a word sum. Doesn't matter if it's capital letter or small letter. So basically, once you're done with that, you can just go ahead and highlight all of these cells right here, and then you can go ahead and close that and then hit enter, and then you'll be able to see that now we have the sum. So I can then go ahead and say, for example, calculate how much is the sum for all total sales for CPU. I can go ahead and do the same thing, and then here close this with parentheses, hit enter, and you can see that now we're seeing that one. So yeah, you can then go ahead and basically just drag them. There you go, in order for them to apply all, and just do the same thing here as well. But basically, that's how you're going to get the total sum of the column or row here in Excel.